ongoing boundary dispute between neighbours led to our MD, Scott Kemp, heading up to East Devon to resolve the issue with fresh data. New construction and add-ons have led to some confusion regarding boundaries. As HM Land Registry plans only show general plans on a large-scale Ordnance Survey mapping, they do not define its legal course. Chartered surveyors will survey the land, check deeds and plans, and even examine aerial photographs. A drone was also launched to give a detailed record of the combined properties within the area. Ground-penetrating radar, pipe tracers and radio detection were deployed at this water treatment works in mid-Devon to map and trace underground features around the site. Pending modifications, the operators need to know exactly where some of the buried piping is situated before any new works could be installed. We consider underground mapping of sewage treatment works as one of our specialities. Our team of experts are familiar with the layouts and workings of these types of sites. Once located, the positions were surveyed using a total station and subsequently produced as a plan in CAD, where services were shown in relative to existing topographical features. Surrounded by the moonscape of Cornish clay pits, our monitoring surveyors prepared concrete fixing points. The site is designed to test sea anchors used to hold in place offshore renewables like turbines and wave energy converters. We are preparing to monitor any movement on a retaining frame during the testing of an anchor, submerged 45 metres below ground. During testing, the anchor will exceed force of 375 tonnes onto the frame via hydraulic jack. Any movement of the frame will be picked up by our monitoring installations. A two-man seeker team were required to survey a former vehicle showroom on one of the main routes into the city. The site has been empty for several years, and the new tenant requires a detailed view of the position and depths of services, traceable from the surface down to 3 metres. Permanent survey markers were established on the site, and service position and depths were marked up with spray paint. The final survey was issued to the client in the form of the drawings and a PAS 128 report. In Liskeard, we started on a large-scale town improvement project funded by the Cornwall Council. The centre of the town is to be upgraded with cycle paths and wider footways to encourage healthier lifestyles. Our topographical surveyors are surveying the highways, carriageway surface levels, verge heights, utility cover locations, road markings and sign locations. Once complete, our survey will be used as a reference for any new features and changes. Working along the live town centre roads require a high level of safety awareness at all times. Near St Austell, the 25-metre cliff face around the seaside resort has been monitored by us for 2 years. A consultant geologist is working with us on the project, which has started after a significant slip of the cliff face in 2022. We installed prisms on the cliff, which enabled our monitoring surveyors on the ground to measure for any movement. We needed to check the condition of the prisms and to remove any of the overgrown foliage. So we sent our go-to climbing team over the edge. The monitoring at regular intervals keeps us up to date with any anomalies and acts as extra security when the camp is in use by the holidaymakers. Our surveying teams cover the whole of the southwest, using all their skills on diverse and varied projects.
Kemp, surveying the southwest for tomorrow.